In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva as PowerPoint PPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Canva design into a PowerPoint file you can open, present, or share with anyone who uses Microsoft PowerPoint. First, make sure you're in the Canva editor with the project you want to export open on your screen. It's best to do this on a computer for the smoothest experience, though it also works in a browser on most devices. Once your design is open, look toward the top right corner of the editor and find the Share button. This is the command center for exporting and sharing your work. Click Share, and from the menu that appears, choose Download. This opens the Download panel, where you can pick the format you want. In the File Type section, open the drop-down and select Microsoft PowerPoint. You may also see it labeled as PPTX, which is the standard modern PowerPoint format. Before you finalize the export, take a moment to double-check your design. If your project uses special fonts, animations, or video clips, keep in mind that some effects may not carry over exactly the same way in PowerPoint. Text and images export well, but advanced animations are often simplified, and videos or audio may not be embedded. If consistency is critical, consider using common fonts available in PowerPoint, and plan to reapply transitions or animations directly inside PowerPoint after downloading. If you only need certain pages, you can choose a specific page range in the download panel, saving time and file size. Otherwise, leave it set to all pages. When you're ready, click Download. Canva will prepare your file, and you'll see the export progress. Depending on your design size, this might take a few moments. When the download finishes, check your browser's downloads list or your default downloads folder. Open the .ptx file to review your slides in PowerPoint. Scan through each slide to make sure text is aligned, images look crisp, and nothing shifted unexpectedly. If you spot small layout changes, you can adjust them quickly within PowerPoint. That's all there is to it. Open your design, click Share, choose Download, select Microsoft PowerPoint, PP, and hit Download. With this approach, you can move your Canva creations into PowerPoint anytime, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a client. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.